Tired of being broke, you need to flip or buy and hold. Clocking in and out, your 9 to 5 is getting old. JD Boom and AC Cash, they known to get the bag. You can make your own schedule, know you liking that. Time to take the next step, take your money, invest. Know you just got that check, go sign up with J-Tech. Yeah.
Fellas, meme stocks.
Yeah.
Things still jumping up and down.
They are.
And there's new ones every day they're talking about. But we gotta cover this thing.
Let's do it.
Pivot Point Investors, we gotta cover these meme stocks. Folks trying to get money.
They gotta get that money.
Let's talk about it.
Let's go.
Hello, I'm AC Cash, and this is
Jay the Technician.
And this is
JD.
We're here on behalf of Pivot Point Investors, where we help the small investor grow his nest egg. And today, they're trying to grow it with these doggone meme stocks.
Meme stocks.
Man, if another person called talking about some meme stocks, that's why we had to cut this into 2 parts. We got so much meme conversation.
Where is it going next?
Yeah, we're going to find out. We're talking about meme stocks. Now, first, maybe they skipped ahead and they didn't see the first video. They're like, what are they talking about? Well, let's catch you up. Who can help me with what is a meme stock?
J-Tech, what's up, man?
Well, I mean, you put it really simply. It's a herd mentality stock. You know, anything that is passed on from person to person to person without any fundamental news or information, it's just word of mouth. It sounds good, we in.
No
We're
studying.
talking about crypto.
Or
we're talking about stocks.
Well,
no studying.
No studying.
We don't do no studying.
It just from my mouth,
right?
You know, to your ear, and then from your wallet into the stock.
Just buy it.
Yeah.
That's a meme stock. It's like, you know, people have to take it seriously because there's millions and thousands and hundreds of thousands being made every day on meme stocks. And we know if people are winning, what's happening to some other people?
They losing.
Woo, they're losing on these meme stocks. So we're going to give them a little more meat to understand, hey, if you're in the game, let's understand some fundamentals to help you be more profitable in your endeavor. So meme stocks, how many are we going to talk about?
Let's go with 5.
5, we're gonna give you 5 meme stocks and stuff that people every day are calling, texting, emailing, all on the internet talking about, hey man, did you see what it did today? I don't know nothing about the company, but it's a meme stock and I want to get in. Okay, so let's kick it off. What you got for me? Give me one.
Yeah, so AMC, you know, is the top one right now, arguably.
AMC movie theater?
AMC movie theater.
Okay.
And so March 2020, AMC stock was $1 a share.
Okay.
And you know, and so the 1st of June 2021, you know, currently today $42.71 a share.
$42.71.
$42.71 a share.
And I know it's because of massive earnings. It was earnings, it was projections. Man, they got new stuff in the theater.
It's short squeeze. Short squeeze. And so that's the technical part, right?
Okay, well, give me the layman's part.
Well, you know, J-Tech, you want to take this one, man, or what?
I mean, the layman's terms is simply this, man. Stock was worthless, company was going down under, and a lot of people were banking on the company going down under, and we all said, nah, we believe in this company, we're going to take it to the moon. So we squeezed them boys out, and we kept that thing running out.
So really what it is when you take a short position, and with that short position, if more people pile up, buyers, purchasers of the stock, piling on the other side, making the stock price go up higher, then you as the short purchaser, you didn't have to go and buy shares of the stock to cover your position. Because you're betting the stock is going to go down.
Okay, now the man started off, messed me up, man, said short position. I don't know what no short position is.
Hey,
let me see.
We ain't got to go too much into it, but that's the reason. Like when people say, why did this happen? They got to know the reason behind it. But this is one other thing I'll say before we can go to some other ones, is that Jefferies is one of the a large brokerage house.
Okay.
Jefferies just said they're not going to allow any more short positions on AMC stock or any of the meme stock.
Short position. So let's back up.
Okay.
They had a big house, got all the money, they projecting and moving stuff. We're talking about people on a stock, cost $1.
Yep.
And then they got into what group, Mr. J-Tech?
They got on the short side. They got for the seller.
Who was talking about it?
Oh, the Reddit guys.
I think we just want this thing to go.
Yeah.
And now it's at $42. Forget the analysts, forget whatever anyone else is talking about. We want it to go to the moon, and they're pushing it. Jeffries, they're saying, well, no, we're not gonna let people do all this short positions, and we're not doing that. You know, let's slow some of this down because it's crazy. But we're talking about GameStop. Give me another one. Tech, help me out.
Well, another good one that's the most recent is Wendy's.
Wendy's, okay. Wendy's.
So Wendy's was at about $10.50 last year.
And Wendy's got great burgers. They came back with the new French fries or something, and that's why it went to what?
Well, it went to $24.39.
Because of the new fries?
No.
No, why?
Well, they got breakfast now.
They got breakfast.
They got good breakfast.
So that's double the stock price, right?
Yeah, breakfast is good.
Okay.
They're making more money from breakfast, for real. Like, that's a real fundamental.
But it ain't
That's
double.
why they really
We
should
still
be
playing these fundamental games. What kind of stock are we talking about?
It's a meme stock.
Meme stock. This don't
But
have
it's
no
not a
rhyme or
trash
reason.
company, though.
We're not saying that.
Yeah.
We're not saying it's a trash stock.
Yeah.
But we're saying it's a meme stock.
It is.
Which means if
It
you're sitting there hoping that this thing is going to go up or go down based on earnings, based on new breakfast menu, based on some sauce or something, you're out of the game. You're out of the game because the people in what group? Reddit group are saying, hey, we like it, we want it to go up, and now it's at $24.39. So that's what we have to understand, the patterns of this meme stock investment. Because folks putting good money in there. And it's not based on solid foundations.
That's right.
So we're going to stay with it. Give me a third one. What are we doing?
We want to go with Koss.
Koss. K-O-S-S.
Yeah.
Okay, Koss. Tell me about Koss. What's the numbers doing?
So audio company, old school headphones and CD players and all that kind of stuff, equalizers. You know, March 2020 is $4 a share.
$4.
And today, $33 a share today.
$33 a share. And that's because, man, they came out with some new technology. No new
some
tech.
nostalgic 80s, 70s, 80s.
So, what group started talking about it?
The Reddit.
And it went up. That's the simple, plain and simple of it. Give me one more and let's keep rolling.
Bed Bath & Beyond.
Bed Bath & Beyond. Man, the ladies are rushing the stores. They're getting these beautiful scents, the candles. Oh, they smell so good. I know that's why they buy it.
The stores
They're closing the stores. Well, how come the stock's going up?
Man, the Reddit crew
Reddit group. Okay.
Took it from $6 to $34.
$6.34. And we're all talking within a 12-month span we're talking about. And that's the thing to understand about meme stocks. Again, don't read the financial reports because they are garbage in relation to where these stocks are going. And like musical chairs, sometimes the music stops and
and whoever's left standing, that's the loser.
They're out of there. They're out of there. And that's what we're talking about with meme stocks. So since we understand that's the foundation of these meme stocks, and there'll be another one next week and the week after that, and you don't want to be late to the party and get left out, but you don't want to be early and pick wrong. It's a guessing game, okay? Meme stocks. So we're going to let J-Tech just help us out just a little bit on some fundamentals if we're in these games. If we're talking about meme stocks, and really it's good fundamentals for stock investing, but in particular when we talk about these meme stocks, let's get some rules to go by.
Well, I mean, we've been saying it all through this podcast so far that the number one thing is Reddit.
Reddit.
So I would tell you, if you really want to know what's going on, what these guys are thinking, what's the next play that they plan on investing in, join the Reddit forum. Wall Street Bets guys.
I can't spell Reddit. Could you help me?
Reddit.
Okay, reddit.com. Okay.
Yeah. Now you'll go on there. There'll be thousands of different channels of guys talking about different things. The most popular one they're called Wall Street Bets. That's the ones that is pretty much been making the news, and they're the ones that are really what they call the stock shakers. They're really making things change. Another play that you could do is monitoring the volume.
Monitor the volume. You mean they turn it all the way up on those Koss speakers?
Yeah, that would be nice.
But no.
The technical term of monitoring volume, there is an actual indicator, a tool that you can use on any platform that you have called VOL or volume. And that will show you how many people are on there back-to-back trading activities. So when you see that rise of over 20% from day to day, that means there is a meme stock on the horizon, and there's a lot of boys in there trying to take it up to another level.
So if you put a whole bunch of people in the room, the volume would go up.
Absolutely.
And as you kick them out, the volume will go down.
Yes.
Okay.
And it's really just a simple way of saying riding momentum. And momentum trading is a real thing. So,
Okay. And so if it's over 20% in daily volume, it's something to look at.
Something to look at.
Absolutely.
Okay.
Because the momentum is there.
And that's whether we try to day trade it or swing
Swing
trade
trade,
it?
absolutely.
Okay, either way, watch the volume. What else we got?
Another big thing is any drop you see 50% or more, even a rise, which is how they've been squeezing out so many short guys, doesn't mean that the direction is changing.
Okay.
So you do have a lot of people that would have jumped in at $34 and then it dropped down to $20 and they lost hope and thought, oh man, I made a bad play, I need to get out. And we have seen these meme stocks turn right back around, go all the way back to 34, past 34, and keep going.
So we're talking about a drop of 50%. Man, that means jump off the ship. That means sell everything.
And any other stock other than a meme stock.
Or even buy at the bottom.
Absolutely, because the biggest example is GameStop.
GameStop.
GameStop is the one that it went 90% crater down, crashed,
Right.
and then shot back up, and it's currently right now $224 a share.
$224 for something that was, what did it start out at?
Man, March 2020 GameStop was $4 a share, man.
$4. Man, that's just that's just hard to fathom. We won't even get the lunacy of that. But people are profiting, and
People have profited.
and people
I
are
mean,
losing.
millions.
Yeah.
The one guy that lost his job as his license as a trader with Mass Mutual.
Yeah.
Was this guy Kitty?
we won't go into
No, but he made some millions
He
off of
did.
it, and then he rolled the dice again, going harder for millions.
Okay.
After
So-
he already cashed out.
And so that's saying because 50% change, one or the other, or drop off, doesn't mean that's a
No, it doesn't mean it's a change of
it's
direction.
not a change of
No.
directions. Just might be the direction it's going in. Huh?
It just might be a couple people are selling out.
Okay.
I mean, you got to think about it. A stock like that goes up unexpectedly. You have people who were holding it for a regular reason, never thought it was going to go that high, and decided they were going to cash out. So it would definitely hit the market pretty hard, but it doesn't mean that we're not going to come back in and buy them shares back up.
With fresh new buyers every day.
A whole lot of
It's
new money.
crazy.
So unpredictability is what you can predict in a meme stock.
Absolutely.
All the way.
Okay, I just need one more, man. I just need one more.
All
Talk to
right,
me.
very simple one, man, is just treat these things like a day trade, not a swing trade necessarily, because it is a bit dangerous and you can get caught in what they call a pump and dump, which is, rumors and facts come out about something going in a particular direction. You're the last one to do it, and like he just said earlier, musical chairs, and it stops, and you're the guy holding that bag.
You don't want to be the odd man out.
You
And so
are
because
gonna
this is my first day trading.
But hold on, J-Tech, man. You cutting my short-term swing trading.
We're going to get to that.
Come
So
on.
wait a minute.
Well, no,
Let's get there.
let me clarify. I'm just saying it's dangerous. Now, if you jump in and it dropped 50% on you, I didn't say get out. You're going to have to hold if you're going to want to make that money back. But I am saying if you do jump in, you're lucky enough to be right that day and it took off, take that money and go. Don't sit there and say, hey, well, let me just ride this out and see what the next day is going to do, because as meme stocks are so unpredictable, we just don't know what it's going to do day to day. But if I jumped in too late and I'm losing, I'm not gonna bail either. I won't ring the register. I'm gonna ride.
Okay, so because it's my first day trading, I don't know what a day trade is. What is day trading?
That means I'm out before 4 o'clock at the end of the day, or
Out.
4 o'clock at the end of the stock day.
Out in what? Outside?
Means I have no positions open. I'm not in it no more. I
He's
just
not
took my
in
money
it.
and I
He's
left.
Purchased and sold all in the same day.
Same day and he's out. So
No.
still my first day. What's the swing trade?
Swing trade, I can buy the stock today, I can sell it tomorrow.
Tomorrow.
I can buy the stock today, I can sell it next week.
Next week.
I can buy the stock, sell it next month.
Next month. Okay.
But for swing trading, if you're looking at it between a 24 to 72 hour turnaround, it could work perfectly depending on how you time it and what the stock itself is actually doing.
Okay, all that stuff, man. You got to cover all that. He covers that in the beginners
Absolutely.
stock trading course, intermediate stock trading
Yeah.
course, and of course the advanced trader stock course. We really.
Our members get webinars from this stuff every week.
You think everybody listening to this right now is a member? You need to
They
subscribe.
They might
subscribe.
subscribe.
Please subscribe.
They subscribe.
Okay.
And then I know they're gonna share it with
They're
somebody.
gonna share. Wait a minute.
You know, they're gonna share it with
It's some
somebody.
selfish people out there.
You know,
But this is good information.
It's good information.
Yeah, but they like to just some people like to hold it.
Yeah, they try to keep it. Hey, don't be selfish.
Yeah.
We're not advocating selfish behavior.
No.
Share it with a friend.
That's right.
It's the humane thing to do.
Yeah, come on, yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right. I think they got it. So that's 5 good little keys.
Yeah.
Just
But
throw it out
imagine
there.
how much more they could have got if they were members.
Well,
but then they got access
members
to
have
us,
privileges.
and then they get that information
They do
fresh
get it. They do
every
get it. That's good. That's good. I think that's a smart crowd out there. Yeah. Okay. Talking about meme stocks, we had to cover this thing in 2 separate videos because it's so much action.
Yeah,
Man,
it
if
is.
somebody else called talking about some meme stock, I tell you.
Oh, it's gonna happen again tomorrow.
It will be tomorrow.
And then we just had to add part 3, man.
Oh,
'cause I mean,
yeah, it's a lot of info,
Yeah.
but it's good info, and people are profiting. That's something to understand.
Yeah.
But it's like deep sea fishing. The waves can get rough
Oh,
sometimes,
yeah.
so you go in that
Yeah.
deep end. Be ready for some turbulence.
That's right.
There will be turbulence in meme
That's
stocks.
right. And the last thing I say on the video, then y'all can say whatever y'all gonna say is, look,
Okay.
if y'all get in a meme stock and you lose money, don't take that as it being indicative of the entire stock trading experience.
Okay.
It is isolated. It's a few stocks like this. They don't trade off anything fundamental, anything technical, normal.
Okay.
And so they're anomalies. And so it's like one shot, like it's like what is a pink gorilla? Like you know,
It's a unicorn.
Yeah, it's a
It's
unicorn.
that
It's a
event
blue
that's very
moon.
different.
You know,
Yeah,
it's
there you go.
you know. So I mean,
feel
it's
you.
just
I
come
feel
on.
you.
You know, like don't take it as all stocks. I'm gonna lose my money because I lost my money on AMC. No,
So
you
don't
lost
put
your money
that
on
house
AMC.
on AMC and
No.
then say I don't like stock trading because it's crazy.
Yeah.
Okay, I got it. You cool with that understanding? Man, meme stocks. We're talking meme stocks. We're getting it clear. We're giving you something to work with. You know, if you want to gamble, I mean, Vegas is fun. Meme stocks are fun to watch.
Biloxi, Mississippi. We
Yeah.
got some riverboats.
Yeah, you can go
We
to
got
the Bahamas. You can do it. You can go to the
yeah.
French Riviera. You can get. Hey, we gotta go now.
We gotta go there, man. Let's do it.
Hey, meme
Speaking
stocks.
about language, though.
I got you. If you're gonna be in it, understand some of the basics that are different than all the other fundamental principles that we teach at Pivot Point Investors. Yeah, I think that's good. I think they got that.
They got it.
We're good?
Yeah.
Hey, sounds so nice. We had to play it twice. Had to give you the second half of it. So I want you to understand, stay smart. Hey, if you're not gonna subscribe and you're not gonna take the courses, then hey, it's buyer beware. You're just out there in the deep end.
That's
but
right.
the smart money hangs with Pivot Point Investors.
That's right.
They got it?
Yeah.
You good?
We good.
Hey, we're putting a pin in it. I'm AC Cash. This is
Shaded Technician.
and this is
JD. Boom.
helping the smart investor, even in meme stocks, make money. That's what
right.
we're gonna do.
That's
because we want them to get what?
More
More
money.
money. Hey, keep investing. Stay smart.